This is kinda weird. Funny. Hey, little pal, how's it going? Huh? Who said that? Me up here, the one you were just talking to. Huh. That's awkward. I don't know if I even like that. Yeah, pal, you're giving me the creeps. Something looks off about you. Why do you have high sensation colors? It's weird. And what's with the, Pac-Man eyes? Why do you look just like me? Also, what happened to the whole zone here? Did you cause all of this? Okay, fine. Yes, I did. I got a little too excited. I don't know. I just wanted to change it up a bit more. I like colors. You know? I just like station colors. I like living in a cartoony environment. You know? Yeah. Sure. Sure, buddy. I'm cool with that as long as you don't cause a problem here, okay? Yeah, that seems alright. Bye.